In this video, I'll show you how to transfer data from an iPhone to Android easily. This is perfect if you're switching devices and want to move devices from iPhone to Android, photos, contacts, messages, and apps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the search bar and type Messages. Then open it and turn iMessage off. Now go back, search for FaceTime, and turn FaceTime off as well. This step is important to avoid missing messages after switching. Next, go back to Settings, tap Wi-Fi, and make sure you're connected to a stable network. Then go back, tap on Bluetooth, and turn it on. Now scroll down, tap General, then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. But now I don't want to transfer my data to another phone, so I will tell you all the steps one by one. Here, tap on Transfer to Android. You'll see instructions to place both devices close together. Tap Continue and scan the QR code using your Android phone. The transfer will begin. This includes photos, messages, contacts, and apps, but keep in mind some protected data, like passwords or locked files, won't transfer. Also, make sure both phones are charged or plugged in. And that's it. Your iPhone to Android data transfer will start successfully. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more phone transfer guides, iPhone tips, and Android tutorials.